something I really like about your platform, so we've talked about compliance and whether you need to get into that or not is your own question, but I do love how you have this client approval process in the platform. That I need it because they might need to pass it by. Like maybe it needs to go in front of the firm owner, but if it's a broker dealer, they might need to
Right.
send it to somebody else who checks on if they get a number for it and all this sort of stuff. It gets cataloged in their bigger list. And so
Mm,
that way, like even, you as a marketer go and do your good work. And as you send it over to the approval process, then they can do the portion like the liabilities on them. And
yes.
that's one of the
Yes.
things they're going to be looking at if they're choosing to hire you or not. And so if you have a way so that you can actually say, like, and here's where you give your stamp of approval, nothing happens until you actually press that approve button. But once you do, it is going live. You just
Hmm.
put a round in the chamber and said go for it.
Yeah.
But that
Right.
ability to say, no, here, we're stopping here, like that gives a business owner the ability to check the work, feel like they are also really on the ground with
Hmm.
understanding how their social media person is representing them as a brand. And I
Hmm.
just think that's so important. And I really like that feature of Approved Social.
Thank you. I appreciate that, Jake.